Good morning. I have this quite large parcel from Amazon. Quite tough to get into as well. There we go. Here we have another box inside this box. That's what we got in it. Get rid of that. Okay, what does this say? Nothing much. Oh, coffee maker. Okay, this is my coffee maker that I bought. Never actually had a coffee maker. Had cafetiere, but never a coffee maker. There we go. These boxes get tougher and tougher, I think. There we go. Slides out very nicely. So there's my coffee maker. On the side it tells you the safety. Very important to read all that. On the front it has coffee maker, 1.2 litre, 800 watt. And then on the other side, Milter, make life better, coffee maker, and then some information about it. So this is like I said, this is something new to me, so bear with me. You've got your little user booklet there, very important to read that as well. And inside you have this very smart looking coffee maker, I must say. Let's get it out here. There we go. There's a power cable, 3-pin plug, great. And inside this plastic is my coffee maker. Take the cardboard out. There we go. So you've got this little jug, which then doubles as your it's like a teapot, isn't it? But it's a coffee pot. So you would boil it in here. You would then be able to just take it to the table and pour it. Very smart. I remember seeing these before and they were quite ugly, big ugly things, and nothing like this. This is very nice. I like the handle, the top, just the same as a coffee, as a teapot, but it's coffee. So I guess you open the lid and then pop it in the side, and you've got the maximum there. So does this open? It's got a little flip. I'm scared to force anything just in case I break it. But I'm guessing this do open. Pour the water in. Oh, there you go. So it does open. Let me check that out a minute. There we go. because it's new, it's a little bit stiff. So inside you've got your filter. There. Just a little you've got a little handle as well. So you've got the filter pad there which filters your coffee through. So you would put your amount of coffee in there, and then you would pour the water through. So you just pop that in there when you've got a new filter, and then pop it in here. Make sure it sits nicely. There we go. And then once you fill it up, you close the lid. I'm sure, I don't think you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, it's better. So you put your filter in here, make sure it sits nice. Close it. Once you've got the coffee and water in there, you'd have this underneath, and then you will be able to turn it on, and the electric will start boiling the water as well. So this is a lovely, lovely set. I do really like it. It looks smart. This would be nice sitting anywhere. And the thing I like more is you just take that off, close it, and then you've got a pot of coffee. That is perfect. It looks good. You could take that to the table, no problem whatsoever. And it will hold quite a lot. I think they're in cups, so it'll be a max of 8 cups. That is really nice. I do like it. I really do like that. So all I need now is some coffee coffee beans that I can pop in here, and make myself a lovely pot of coffee. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this helps. Bye now.